Alrighty, you guys ready? Alright, let's go. Gonna set 50% and 1 first. Let those engines spool up. Alright, looking good. Gonna release the brakes and go toga. Man toga SRS, start the chronos. Man toga SRS runway, auto thrust blue. And takeoff thrust is set. We're rolling. Gonna keep a little bit of forward pressure on the side stick until about 100 knots. There's 100 knots, cross-checked. I can centralize the side stick now, just using minimal rudders to keep the aircraft nice and steady. Down the center line. Here comes V1 and rotate. Burner up, continuous to about 12.5 degrees. Go ahead, push back, start up, and line ourselves up for taxi and get out of here. Alright, we're pushing back, and the operator under the aircraft told me that due to icing conditions I need to stand by on my engine start until the pushback's complete. So I'm just standing by on that. So how are you guys doing? Good. If you guys are doing alright, I'm doing alright. And yeah, it's been very busy here. Lots of training going on, lots of pilots joining airlines. The Dubai Air Show is currently going on right now at the time of this recording, so a lot of big deals happening. Emirates just announced an order for more 777X aircrafts. Fly Dubai is going to acquire 787s as well, and I guess they're going to jump into the long haul route. So yeah, some exciting news happening in the world of aviation right now. So it's looking pretty good. It's an exciting time to be in aviation. And would you look at the weather I've got to deal with today? A few clouds over there, but it's cold. It's -6. I mean, check it out, -6 degrees.
Please set parking brake.
Oh, yes, ma'am, sorry. Okay, parking brakes are set.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
I have got to remove that that auto playback. Anyway, guys, we've done the excuse me, we've done the pushback. So now let's go ahead and start our engines. Ignition start. Got the engine page right there. Up and forward, and here we go. Starting up engine number 2. And yeah, it's gonna be really exciting to fly into Beijing today. Okay, we've got the N2 spooling up.
Unlocking gear.
Alright, fuel's being introduced to the aircraft. Here comes the engine. That's a good sound any day.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
You don't say.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
What about my front? I mean, okay. Engine 2, spool into life. Guys, it's been 21 years of aviation for me, and that sound of the engines starting up never gets old. Alright, very soon. Okay, we got a good start on number 2. Let's get number 1 going. Same thing. PTU is active. Hydraulics are up. Pressurizing via the PTU. Green system's now pressurized as well. Excellent. Alright, so while I start engine number 1 and prepare, thank you. While I start engine number 1 and prepare for taxi, you guys go ahead, have a quick break. I'll see you in just a few seconds when I'm holding short at the runway. See you guys there. right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are holding shot at Echo runway 29, as you can see right over there, and also on our map right there. So now it's time to bring up the chart for the SID so that I can have that in reference. And I've got my performance page ready and flight plan on the first officer's side. And I guess now it's time to do the do my memory items, get the TCAS going as well. And I can now go ahead and do the lineup checklist. I finished the taxi checklist earlier, so flight controls. Takeoff runway is runway 29 checked. TCAS is now TA and RA, and RPACs are on for takeoff, as well as the engine and wing anti-ice as well. You saw me turn that on just before taxi because it's cold. It's very cold and it's about to get colder. So yeah, all that's left to do now, we've done the checklist, is to get the lights going and tell the cabin crew, please be seated for takeoff, thank you, and time to just release the parking brakes and get this aircraft lined up onto the runway. And away we go. So I'm using the tiller just to steer the airplane. We're clear on the left, looks like it's clear on the right as well. And there's no aircrafts on the TCAS as well, so I'm gonna go to arc 10 miles out. Actually, I'll keep it at 20 so I can see the curve coming in. Nice. It's always an exciting time just before takeoff. Here we go, 29 identified. Big markings on the runway right there. Snow covered everywhere. Alright, let's line her up with the center. Kind of hard to see which one is the center, but okay. Alrighty, you guys ready? Alright, let's go. Gonna set 50% and 1 first, let those engines spool up. Alright, looking good. Gonna release the brakes and go Toga, Mantoga SRS, start the chronos, Mantoga SRS runway, auto thrust blue. And takeoff thrust is set, we're rolling. Gonna keep a little bit of forward pressure on the side stick until about 100 knots. There's 100 knots, cross checked. I can centralize the side stick now, just using minimal rudders to keep the aircraft nice and steady. Down the center line, here comes V1, and rotate. Bring her up, continuous to about 12.5 degrees. There we go, now we've got nav, and we're following our track right there. Place it in, positive rate of climb, landing gears coming up. And we're climbing away. I don't know why the transition altitude is already flashing, but yeah, I'll set it later once I get past the SID. All right, here we go. We've got lever climb, which means now we bring this guy back here to climb detent. Thrust climb, auto thrust wide. I can also set the autopilot on now, climbing up to 12,800 feet. And we've got AP1 auto thrust wide. And we should start our turn very, very soon. And we're going into those clouds. The temperature is -9 degrees and visible moisture, so we're going to keep the anti-ice engine and wing anti-ice on till we get up and over these guys.